Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't liked, comment, or subscribed to any of the videos, go ahead and do that now, guys. And comment below on this very interesting topic I have for you today. It was sparked by a video that I saw by Prepper Nurse 1 titled, "Were the Earthquakes Man-Made?" Dun dun dun. And I immediately had an answer for it. Yes, very possible. It's not a hard yes, but I'm going to state my case and let you be the judge. We are the cause for a lot of bad things that happen in the world. Geographically, economically, politically, socially, all that. We all know that the weather has been extremely bizarre. If you live here in Los Angeles, we're all like, what the hell, man? I mean, here we are, beginning of July, and it's been overcast for like a month and a half. And we had maybe 5 days within the month and a half where then it got really hot all of a sudden for the whole day. And we know the past few months, I'd say from, all the way back to November, we had a lot of rain. It was really good. We had a lot of rain. So the earth was very cold. Okay. Then it went and dried up real fast. And we go through these seasonal changes all the time, and finally the earth got what it is that it needed, which was, all that water. Well, you know what? That makes all the ground, all the earth's surface very cold. Now check this out. When it gets hot, okay, it gets real hot because we have laid, think about this, we've laid miles and miles of concrete on this ground. There should not be concrete on this earth. It makes it easier for heavy industry, right? For all the trucks. Everybody's got to get their Amazon packages, oil has to get transported, etc. For all the men watching this video, all you got to do is, when it's real cold or it's real hot, all you got to do is look down between your legs and you see exactly how the heat and cold affects various materials, right? So, I mean, think about that. So when it gets hot, underneath the Earth's surface, it must get 10 times, 20 times hotter because of all that concrete that's been laid down. So you have this contracting and this expanding and contracting and expanding and finally snap, right? Now, in addition, we do know that the government has, what is it, HAARP, which is the weather manipulation program. We know that that is factual. The government does, manipulate the weather. So it's not natural, okay? If everything was natural, hey, maybe we wouldn't have even had these earthquakes happen. And thank God they weren't devastating. Thank God. I got my kids, my woman to worry about, my mom, my dad, brothers, sisters, nieces, nephews, I mean, shit. Make a judgment in the comments below. Give me your opinion. Any scientists out there that are watching this, I mean, I have no degree on geology, astronomy, or, I gather information, I know some facts, and I draw some conclusions, some topics for us to talk about, So if you happen to agree with me, let me know. If you disagree, let me know. Heavy industry, weather manipulation has a lot to do with things happening when they're actually not supposed to, okay? That's all I'm saying. So, yes, I do think it is a direct result of us. And we just need to learn how to get back to where we used to be. You know what I mean? So, like, comment, subscribe. I want to hear your opinions. I want to hear your thoughts, and send your prayers out to people over in the Ridgecrest area. You guys who know me out there, shout out to you guys, and I hope that everything is okay. I see you guys still snapping and Facebooking, and so good. Let's hope that we do not undergo any more quaking, okay? Although they're saying there is a 25% chance for it. So buy a lot of water, get medical supplies, like I said, not just for boo-boos, but for serious trauma. You know, get tourniquets, get Israeli bandages, packing, you know, combat gauze, get all that good stuff, chest seals, everything, you know, firearms, all right? So just be mindful, be safe, and until next time, I'm out for now. RPA and survival. Thanks for coming back. See you next time.